Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing an everyday makeup look for rainy seasons since it's rainy now here in our area. This was inspired from the all-women's talk with 7 practical makeup techniques for rainy days. So let's get started. First, we are going to do the primer to make your makeup stay longer. Second is a tinted moisturizer. You need a waterproof foundation if you want, but for me I don't have one, so I just go with the tinted moisturizer. So as they say, a little goes a long way. A thin layer actually lasts longer than you think, especially during a humid rain. Next is a concealer. This you can use all the time. Try to find one that is creamy and has thick consistency, so it makes it stick longer to your face. Fourth is an eyebrow pencil or a cream type. That's just on my own because cream-based makeup stays longer than the powder ones. And fifth, waterproof mascara, so that it would run down or melt when it gets wet, or you'll end up looking like a hot mess. Now, sixth is a cream blush or a contour, because you just wanted something to keep that cheek glowing even though the weather is gloomy, so go for the cream type. Seventh is a high quality lipstick. On my own, I'd go for lip tints or tinted lip balms, since the weather is cold and your lips tend to be drier. So, yeah. And last but not the least, just a tip guys, moisturizing mask at night. That would really be helpful for your skin to be moisturized, because your skin tends to get drier when it's rainy or it's cold. And so there you have it guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this would be of great help for you guys, especially those who are in the Philippines or Asian areas. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if this helped you. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do click the subscribe button for more videos on makeup, skincare, and all that jazz. So thank you again, guys. God bless.